Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are cutting straight to the point. How to customize your Substack homepage so it stands out and looks professional. Let's dive in. First, log into your Substack account and open your main dashboard. In the top menu bar, click on Settings. Scroll down slightly to the Website section and look for Edit Theme button. You are now in the theme editor. Let's start with the layout. Click on Hero. Here you decide how your top posts are displayed. You can choose a clean classic look or go for a denser magazine or newspaper style depending on your content. Next, update your branding. Navigate to the Colors and Fonts tabs. Select a primary accent color that pops and choose typography that fits your style. Keep it readable and keep it clean. Don't forget your navigation bar. You can add or hide links here to highlight your most important newsletter sections or your About page. Check the live preview on your screen. Once it looks exactly how you want it, save your changes. That's it. A customized Substack homepage in under a minute. Subscribe to ClearTask for more fast, straightforward technical guides. See you in the next one. See you in the next